In this class, we are going to learn solid combine. The name itself, combining two objects and combining by the combination of two sketches, preparing one solid object. That is happening with this solid combine tool. So let's see how it works. Okay, select the plane. Okay, here I am choosing circle. Now exit workbench. So now select the different plane for different sketch. Okay, exit. Now I am selecting XZ plane. Okay, so here now I am choosing hexagon. Okay, so with two different planes I selected, I draw two different sketches. Exit. See, this is a circle and this is a hexagon. Now see what will happen if I select solid combined. This is a sketch one. Now I want to select this circle. Preview. Okay, say this is the solid combined. So here this is the circle portion. From this view it is hexagon portion. Okay, I hope you got the point what I want to say. This is the solid combined. Okay, is there any other option in this solid combined? Let's see. First profile, second profile, normal to profile, normal to profile. Normal to profile means I have told in pad option. If we select any direction line, it forms in that direction. If I want to delete this option. Okay, delete. Here I want to use this elongated hole. So here I selected previously 150. Now also I'm selecting 150, and here it is 25. Okay, it's your workbench. See how it's happened here. It is like TPI. With single sketch we can design like this. Okay, let's select anything. Let's select the circle. Let's see workbench. Add how much thickness is necessary. I think 10 mm is enough. Review. Okay, see here it is like T5. Solid combine with only two options. I made this object. Okay, that is the use of solid combine. So this is the model by using solid combine. Okay, gives clean view.